Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to share your phone screen on Facebook Messenger. So let's jump right in. Now for this tutorial, let's assume you're already inside a video call on Facebook Messenger. You'll see various controls at the bottom of your screen that give you different options during your call. Look at the bottom of your screen and locate the image and games icon. This icon is designed to let you share media and interactive content during your video calls, making conversations more engaging and collaborative. Go ahead and tap on this icon to reveal additional sharing options. Once you tap on it, a menu will appear with different sharing choices. From this menu, click on Start Sharing. This option specifically allows you to broadcast your entire phone screen to everyone in the video call, which is incredibly useful when you want to walk someone through an app, show photos, or demonstrate something on your device. After clicking Start Sharing, a system prompt will appear asking for permission to record or cast your screen. This is a standard security feature to ensure you're intentionally sharing your screen. Click Start Now to grant permission and begin the screen sharing process. And that's it. You're now sharing your phone screen with everyone in the video call. They can see exactly what you're seeing on your device in real time, making it perfect for troubleshooting, sharing content, or collaborating on projects remotely. The screen sharing will continue until you manually stop it or end the call. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.